Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers, and if you're looking to sell a house fast in Castle Hills, we can help you out. We are a premier cash home buyer in San Antonio, meaning we don't deal with banks, we don't deal with lenders, we don't deal with anybody but you. So if you've got a house in Castle Hills that you want to sell fast, maybe it was an inheritance or there's a lot of deferred maintenance or things that need to be repaired, and you want to be in a situation where instead of having 50 showings and a realtor and price reductions and a repair list and all that stuff and waiting on a buyer to get financing, if you're in a situation where you'd rather, if it's Monday and you want to close and get a check on Friday, you can deal with somebody like us, because that's what we do. We come in, we only need to see the house one time. We're not going to be in your hair bothering you for very long, but we can be in and out. We're going to give you our best fair cash offer right there, and then we're going to close it immediately. And we will actually close it. We're not going to shop your contract around to other people or try to get somebody else to buy it. We are the end buyer. So we'll come in and we'll make a substantial deposit. And if we put a contract on something, we will close on it. So if you're looking to sell a house fast in Castle Hills, please give Alamo Cash Buyers an opportunity to earn your business. You can call the number on the screen or fill out the form, and myself or one of our esteemed colleagues will be right in touch, and we would love the opportunity to help you out. Thank you so much. Take care.